your boy Gump Jeezy. I'm gonna be doing a video on my 2009 Nissan Maxima, and I'm gonna be changing the axle out on it cause the old one has, you know, basically deteriorated and it ain't no good, and it making steering very difficult to drive it, you know. So I'm gonna try to make the video real short, real quick, and I'm gonna make it look easy, you know what I'm saying? So hey, y'all, watch the video and make sure that you subscribe. Yes. Find the perfect. Yes. 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 Let's see it. Alright. Yes. 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 That's it, just like that. We're ready to go. Come back in now. Yes. 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 Gotta put that all on that now. So my overall review of it, it was quite simple. It was getting it out. But once I got past all that and everything, once I got the screws out, the last screws out, and I had to tap on it at the back, it was a little difficult, you know what I'm saying? So I had to figure it out on my own. But once I, start tapping on it and pulling on it at the same time, it came on out of there. So I think it's gonna be pretty nice going back in there. I'm gonna try the same routine that I did, and we're gonna make this video real easy peasy. Keep on watching. I'm almost finished. So I done got the shaft out. So now all I gotta do is put the new one in, and I think it's gonna go in just as easy as it came out. But it was a little difficult at the end, but the beginning was quite simple. But if y'all want to know more about taking the rotor and all that other extra stuff off that I didn't show y'all in the beginning, then hey, I'm gonna show y'all how to reassemble it. But on taking it loose, it's gonna be just the same, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all how to do it in another video. Thank y'all for watching, and this video will be over with soon. Yes, I done got it back in and it's moving along real good. It's been quite a challenge, but I love a challenge any day of the week. And when they say I can't do it, I'm gonna show them that I can do it. So let me go on and finish putting this together, and this video gonna be over with real soon. Thank y'all for watching this far. If you watched this far, then please subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping a lot of more hot, videos in the future. Alright, that good enough right there.